Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. A lot of you don't know what collards are. They're in the kale family, I believe, and I've had kale. It tastes kind of similar and not. This is collards. You get these big leaves, and you can cook all these stems. I've never known anybody cook that, but I just take my finger and rip the collard off. And I wash mine about 4 or 5 times because collards can be buggy. As you can see, this leaf I'd throw away, but you got leaves in there that aren't that bad. Well, not really throw away. The hogs eat collards too. And but you take in put about 2 inches of water in the bottom of your pot. Cut them up as fine as you can cut them. Put some salt, garlic powder. Cut up onion. Put onion powder in there. You talking about something good? But I needed collards for Thanksgiving, so I saw a friend of mine ask him if he knew anybody selling them, so he said, let's go. So I bought 6 heads of collards. Let me show you how many I actually came up with. I filled up these gallon freezer bags. There's one down there. I cleaned this freezer out. It was having a problem, so I had to get it fixed, so I cleaned it out and starting to restock it again. But there's another gallon bag, so I cooked 4 gallons of collards for Thanksgiving. And I put a little bit of vinegar on mine with some hot pepper, and you can take fried cornbread and put it in fried cornbread and make what we call a collard sandwich. They actually sell collard sandwiches for fundraisers and stuff because people love them. I do. And you have 2 pieces of cornbread, collards in between, a little piece of fat back on it, and a hot pepper. And that, my friends, is collard sandwich. And that's something you need to try before you leave this world. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.